Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're putting the Vivo X200 FE, a compact, premium mid-range phone, to the camera test. With its dual 50-megapixel Zeiss-tuned lenses and pocketable size, can it really go head-to-head with flagship cameras? Let's dive in. This phone packs a 10mm periscope telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom, a 50-megapixels main Sony IMX921 sensor with OIS, and an 8-megapixels ultra-wide lens, all co-engineered with Zeiss. Plus, you get Zeiss multifocal portraits across 5 focal lengths and a special stage mode for performance shots. In bright light, the Vivo delivers crisp detail, accurate color, and superb dynamic range from both its main and tele lenses, retaining exceptional quality even out to 6x lossless zoom. The 3x optical zoom holds up brilliantly for portraits and shots of distant subjects. You can push it digitally up to 100 times, and while quality drops past 10 times, it's still serviceable for social use. Night performance is strong, main, ultra-wide, and tele all capture good detail and proper exposure. Low-light tele isn't flagship level, but still solid. And vocals in stage mode are clear and defined. Up front, the 50-megapixel selfie camera can shoot 4K video at 60 FPS, delivering crisp, natural-looking skin tones. On the video side, aside from ultra-wide, the main and tele cameras record smoothly at 4K, 60 FPS. So yes, the Vivo X200 FE delivers real flagship-level results in a compact phone. Like if you're impressed by compact camera performance. Subscribe for full image and video comparisons versus Pixel 10 Pro, Galaxy S26 Ultra, and more. Let me know in the comments, would you pick this over a full-size flagship?